Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody wants to put their text to path exactly a ½ inch off this circle. We actually have a 12-inch circle. Well, let's make it 12. And there's two ways you could do this. One of them is go to text to path, and put on the path. And then right here, type in -0.5. -0.5, and it's going to move it exactly up 0.5. Now, I would suggest you put 0 here. And if you look, and if we break the text apart, and then we click on here, that text is in the center, exactly where it needs to be. And if we take our parallel dimension tool, doesn't always work on text because it's kind of hard, but you can see it's 0.51 or 0.50, perfect. The other way to do it, and just another little tidbit here, if you have done this and you didn't make a copy, you can go to text and straighten the text and it'll put it back. Now, the other way to do it would be to take this line, and I've turned my lines to inches, and I'm going to make it a ½ inch thick. I'm going to go up to Object, convert the outline to an object. I'm going to left click, right click, and then these two lines are a ½ inch apart. Now we need to take it, and we'll just measure it real quick. You can see it's a ½ inch off. Now for this to work, we've got to select it, go up to Object, and break the curve apart. That makes these two lines. Then you can take your text to path, and put it right there. And then you see that red line, it means it's in the center. That way that text is a ½ inch off your path. Now, you still have to, if you want to get rid of that line, go up to Object, break text apart, and then select your ellipse. So you have exactly a ½ inch. This would be, if it was a circle, it would be a big deal, but if it was a logo or an emblem and you didn't want to touch it, and you could, ½ inch, ½ inch, whatever you want to do. So there's two ways to do that. At least there might be even more. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.